name is Claire and I work at Response for Teens. Let's learn about what it's like to get tested for an STI.
This is Carolyn. She is a social worker at Response and an expert in sexual health. Carolyn, how do you know if a clinic is youth-friendly?
Hi Claire, that's a good question. There are some questions you can ask to get a sense whether a clinic's youth-friendly or not.
Thanks for calling our clinic. How can we help you today?
I'm thinking of scheduling an appointment to get tested for STIs, but it's my first time getting tested, so I have a few questions first.
Of course, ask away.
Will my appointment be confidential, or will you have to notify my parents?
If you are 12 years of age or older, you are able to be tested and treated with complete confidentiality. You do not need parental consent, and we will not notify your parents.
Great, thanks. What about insurance? I want to make sure my parents don't get billed for my appointment.
If you don't want your parents to be billed, we take payment on a sliding scale. So if you have low income, your visit will be low to no cost.
Okay, does the clinic have a lot of experience working with younger people?
Yes, we see young people often. We will always make sure you feel comfortable and welcome here. Would you like to schedule an appointment?
Yes. Thank you.
So what will it actually look like once Lauren shows up for her appointment?
Lauren will show up for her appointment on time. Next, they may ask her for her ID and insurance if they accept insurance and she chooses to use it. Then she'll fill out paperwork, which can include her medical record, consent forms, and a check-in survey. After she fills out her paperwork, Lauren will be waited to be called by a nurse or a medical provider. Once called, she'll go into the room with the nurse or medical provider, and they may ask her questions about her sexual history, menstrual history if applicable, medical history, contraceptive history, or any drug or alcohol use. Then they will test her for STIs. Depending on the STIs they're testing for, they may take a urine sample, blood sample, cheek swab, or vaginal swab.
So what are Lauren's rights throughout this process?
In Illinois, Lauren and those 12 years or older have the right to get tested and receive treatment confidentially without parent or guardian consent or knowledge. Lauren has the right to say no to anything during her visit, including certain methods of testing and providing specific information, even if it's recommended. She also has the right to be treated with dignity and respect. If Lauren has questions, we encourage her to ask them, and she has the right to have those questions answered without any judgment.
Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a better sense of what it's really like to get tested for an STI. It's not as scary as it may sound, and it's a great way to stay safe and informed.